In this tutorial, we will use the Edit module to identify arterial management plan recommendations along a route segment. The V.Arterial Preservation Plan is designed to preserve and enhance capacity and safety of highways. To get started, add the Edit module to the module banner by selecting the gear icon, and then checking the Edit box. To enable modification access, enable the admin console as well. The new Edit module will appear. From the Edit module, select the Add Layers button, expand the Route Classification Systems list, and select the Arterial Preservation Network option to see relevant locations on the map. Next, click Layers and select the Only Edit Data toggle to see an abbreviated list. Then, select the Studies and Recommendations list and select the Arterial Management Plan's Edit option to add the layer. In this example, we will use V.Richmond District Route 10 network, between Chester and Hopewell, which is located along an arterial preservation network. In the Layers panel, click the plus button of the editable Arterial Management Plan's Edit layer. This opens the Manage Data pane. Next, click on the Draw tools, and the LRS point to digitize a shape. Hover over the route to see a list of selection options. Use numbers 1 through 9 to select a specific route, and then press Z to draw a point and set a point. Add as many points as required. After a point feature is created, enter the data in the Properties panel. Next, click Save for review. All created and saved features will be reviewed by authorized users. Once a feature is approved, it will be available in the View module. This concludes the tutorial on editing features of the Arterial Management Plan.